I started with again. I started with Cinderella audiobook, and I was gonna read Cinderella for the audiobook narration. I have had a change of heart. I'm not gonna read that. Hello? Hello. 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 I'm gonna get the 40 Morty mattress. Actually, I'm gonna go through 40 money scriptures, which she no longer has on her site. I'm gonna start with excuse me, my gosh. Oh my gosh. Excuse me, wow. Percent available. It's not going to work. Alright. I ain't got time for no issues. Are you plugged in? Power options. It's plugged in there. Doing too much. Oh, it's got 100%. Must be tripping. You must be tripping. Illusions. I don't hear nothing. Oh. I still don't hear nothing. You know what? Such a video. And I thought this was charging. Okay, it is. It's plugged in charging. All of a sudden, I got to blow. Pause. I couldn't react fast enough to that sneeze, but I can pause right here.